Lesson 2, Core Grammar Foundations. In this lesson, we will focus on the core grammar competencies listed in Appendix 4 of the MATSEC SEC French syllabus. First, let us look at articles and noun gender. In French, nouns are either masculine or feminine. For a masculine singular noun like livre, the definite article is le. When forming plurals, the indefinite masculine singular un ami changes to des amis by adding the plural article des and an s at the end of the noun. Sometimes parts combine to form a new article. For partitive articles used with masculine nouns like pain, you use du, which is a combination of de and le. Possessive adjectives also must agree with the noun they modify. For instance, the feminine possessive ma is used before a feminine singular noun that starts with a consonant, such as ma mère or ma sœur. Adjectives describing colors must also agree in gender and number with the noun, such as rouge, meaning red. When building sentences, you will need to link ideas. At Level 1 writing, you can join simple concepts using basic linear connectors like a. Negation is another fundamental structure. To form a negative present tense sentence, such as I do not speak Spanish, you place ne and pas around the conjugated verb, resulting in je ne parle pas espagnol. Finally, for making comparisons, such as saying Lyon is bigger than Toulouse, use the structure plus que to form more than statements.